What's up guys, I'm in a Toyota Rav4 2005 and today I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulb that's in your shifter column, and it's super easy. So don't worry about it, don't be afraid. I thought I was going to have to replace my whole, or not replace but remove my whole console, but I did not need to do that. So let me show you. This is the Rav4 2005 Rav4. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, and I already have it loosened and about to replace the light bulb, but the first thing you want to do is, alright, here you go. I'm going to show you exactly how to, where it fits in and everything, how to pull this off. And all this does is it just comes straight up, this piece right here. 2005 Toyota Rav4, this piece literally just comes straight up like this, and it connects. You see, the sun's really bright, guys, sorry about that. You can see that lip right there. Let me get it better. It's so bright. Let me get that lip right there, fits here, right there. There's an opening here. And basically what you want to do is, so you want to take a pry tool. I got this at AutoZone. I think it was like 10 bucks for 3 of them. So you take a pry tool and you put it right here, right there, to come between this piece and the bottom of your, this right here. There. Now you can see here's a notch here, a notch here, and it's literally just this right here, this right here, and there's a couple in the front. There you go. Right here. Oh, there's 3. There's one right here, and right here. And the other 2, there's 2 over here. And you literally just want to take your pry tool right here and come between this and this, and don't force it too hard, but don't be afraid to get in there either and separate the 2. And it might take a minute at first because it's been sitting there for a long time, so it might take a minute to come loose because it's been attached for a long time. But just be patient with it. You'll be okay getting it out of there. It's super easy. And once you get it loose, it's going to look like this. So you just want to take it and literally just take it off, put it to the side. And this here was attached. I will try to show you. See, I actually have the light bulb out right here. So this part also too is in there with clips, and all I did was, this part right here is just plastic. It's just a piece of plastic, literally. My hand under here, there's no mechanical, nothing under here except obviously the gear shift. And what I did was I just wiggled this a little bit and pulled up on it. And then what you want to do then is pull it up to the side like this. And then guys, what you want to do, there's a hole right here, right, the hole is right there. That's where the light bulb came out. It's on the left side of your shifter. And here is the light bulb. And actually this is a lot like a Toyota Corolla. I have a 98 Toyota Corolla video with the same exact process, and it was literally the same way, except on the Corolla I had to take the console out. This one I did not have to. And all you want to do, there's little notches on this there. You can see it real good there. Wait. Come on now. see that hole right there. There's little notches there. And what you want to do is counterclockwise with some needle nose pliers. Counterclockwise. And obviously the light bulb's already out, but you just take it and turn it left and pull out, and it'll come right out. So it looks like this. There's the light bulb. AutoZone, and got some light bulb replacement. Here is the old bulb, what it looks like. It's burnt out, and here is the part number, part 37. So we're going to put these suckers in, or this sucker in. Okay guys, I'm about to put it in. It's just like a Christmas light. Forgive me, I got a sore throat, and just trying to do this for you guys here. Here we go. There's the bulb, and I'm about to put it in. Make sure the lights are off. Yep. There we go. There you go. Awesome. That's all there is to it. And now what I want to do is literally guys, we're just gonna put this light in the hole. I'm trying to get a good visual for you here. Here we go. There, that's the hole you want right there. And it's on the side. There, you can see it right there. It's right there. It's on the left side of your shifter. I've got the light right here, but here goes. Going to turn the car on, or turn the lights on. Right there. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. Yay! There we go, guys. I just needed to push the light down there in a little farther. So make sure you get the light in the socket as really good and snug. Make sure it fits good. We're going to put the light back into the shifter, and I'm going to need some pliers, so let me get those real quick. Okay, might be able to do this without the pliers. So you just take it, and there's going to be little grooves. Come on now. There's grooves on either side of the light. One here and one on the other side right there. So what you want to do is match up the grooves to the hole. See the grooves there on the hole? You just want to match it up to the grooves and then turn it clockwise to the right. Okay, now we're going to put the shifter back into its little grooves. And this is the first time I'm doing it in this car, guys. So, and again, I'm not an expert. So, but I'm doing the best I can here. But it doesn't take much, it's just plastic, so don't be afraid of it. So what I'm trying to do is get it on these grooves here. Let's see. And you should hear it click into place. I'll show you. There, I think I'm getting it right there. So this is where it goes, I believe. So we're going to try to get it back in there. There. You're hearing it pop there. Okay. And again, guys, this is just plastic. It won't screw up nothing with your shifter at all. All this is a piece of plastic going around the shifter here. Just take a second to get it to pop into place. now. I finally got it. What I did, guys, see, it's in there. It ain't going nowhere. What I did is these ones right here in the front, right there. What I did was I took this and I put it down in there first on these two front ones, and I kind of felt to see where the levers were to go into that hole. It's basically a socket right here for it to fit into, right where my finger's at. And it's the same on the other side right here. So what I did was I went in, down like this, put it in the sockets, and then like this, and it just popped right into place. So don't worry, you're not going to hurt nothing. And now we're going to put this piece back on like this, and you just, looks like, see these grooves here? There, just stick them in just like that. And then you should be able to just push on this and it'll click into place. There we go. Cool. And it's daytime, so you won't be able to see the light very well, but the light is on and working. But I'll show you my lights on. There we go. So there you go. What's up, guys? I just wanted to show you what it looks like with the lights on at nighttime. Hope you enjoyed the video. Always follow your dreams. Never give up, and don't let anybody tell you that it can't be done.